Valentine's Day is a special day for lovers. However, for those who are singles, the day is never fun. If you are alone on Valentine's Day and want to make yourself feel a little bit better, just start your day right with those funny Valentine's Day memes. Funny Valentine's Day memes can get more likes on your social media page and make your friends laugh. In this video, we'll show you how to make fun Valentine's Day memes by yourself. These Valentine's Day memes are so funny, right? Let's see how you can use Filme to make a Valentine's Day meme for your own image or video. Step 1. Import the image or video that you want to make memes from and drag them onto the timeline. Step 2. Then you can edit your image or video to fit a meme style, including resizing, trimming, and more. Step 3. A meme isn't truly a meme until you've added a subtitle. To add captions to your media, go to the text menu in the top left of the window. Then select the text that suits well for memes and click on the plus button in the center of the text. Double-click on the title in the timeline. This will open text editing options on the right side of the window. You can set the color, size, and position of your title with ease. Step 4. Once the memes are done, go to the Export menu and click on Export Video. You can export the meme as a GIF directly and share it with your friends on YouTube and Vimeo. That's done. You can also make multiple meme images and export them as a short video of meme collections. If you just want to share meme images with your friends or followers, just simply take a screenshot of the output meme video. Here is an extra tip for you. To get more inspiration to make your own Valentine's Day meme, you can search Valentine's Day meme on Google, Pinterest, Facebook, or Instagram. Then you can discover various Valentine's Day memes from those platforms and make your own ones by getting inspiration. Now that you know how to make Valentine's Day memes, why not give it a try now? Just check on the download link in the description and make your own meme. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to share and subscribe if you find this helpful. See you next time.